Want to know how to see your clan chats, your private clan chats in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends application. So once you've opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. So we have also created a video on how to walk through tutorials and clear out games in Raid Shadow Legends, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done all of that, in order to open up your clan chats or your private clan chats, on the top right side, right beside this, you should be seeing this chat icon right here. So you can just simply like that. So by default, you should be on a global chat, and global chat should look something like this. And right beside it, you should be seeing clan chats. Just simply select it. And right here, you should be seeing your clan chat right here. So you can see that various people have joined and left this clan. And you can also see the battle stat here. And you can also enter your message, type anything, select OK, and send it. And once it is on, your chat should be sent. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you on the next one.